More weather, more rain.
Yes, we are going to be watching for more rain this afternoon, and we picked up a little bit of it last night in Albuquerque. We picked up between 1/10 of an inch at the Sunport. Many of you on the west side and east side picking up about 2/10 to 3/10 of an inch of rain. So a little bit of rain last night. We'll watch for more storms to pop up. We had a lot of activity yesterday afternoon, and because of that, and we had the cloud cover this morning, it takes a little time for the atmosphere to really recover, and so storms will be a little delayed today. We're seeing a few clouds here and there, and absolutely gorgeous start off to Taos up that way and heating things up nicely. You can see the clouds starting to billow up a little bit. We're going to have to watch them billow up a lot more before those storms get going, but we have plenty of moisture, plenty of fuel for those storms across the central mountain chain in western New Mexico, so that over the next few hours we're going to see these storms get going. Today's storms are going to be tracking from southwest to a little bit more northeasterly than what we saw yesterday, and so that still puts us in a pretty good position here in the Rio Grande Valley to get some of those storms going our way late in the day or even into the evening and overnight hours. So we'll watch for that later today. For now, just really warm and very humid out there. Meanwhile, in the southeast, there we still have plenty of moisture. We're just not getting the storms right now. Taking a look at the dew points, this is how we measure how much moisture is in the air, and during monsoon season we need it to be in the upper 40s at least, and we're seeing that just about everywhere. So we have plenty of moisture here, but high pressure is just sitting right on the edge of southeastern New Mexico, and basically what that means is it's getting suppressed in this area, so a lot of the thunderstorms can't happen, so we just get the heat. In fact, extreme heat in some cases. We're talking triple-digit heat in the southeast. You definitely want to be aware of that. For everyone else, we'll start to see those storms get going again this afternoon. Plenty of moisture to see those storms get going. We may not see as many as what we saw yesterday, again, just because of all the activity yesterday. It takes a little while for the air to recover, but by tomorrow we're going to be looking at the same scenario, and we should be looking at widespread activity once again across central and western New Mexico. So we're going to be looking at some active days still sticking around even into Wednesday. Wednesday we're going to have a front coming in from the north and east, and that's going to ramp things up in northeastern New Mexico. It's also going to bring in the possibility for some stronger storms with hail and gustier winds for this area as we go into Wednesday. So the weather staying pretty active through about Wednesday. By Wednesday though, we're going to start to see some of the drier air push into western New Mexico, and it's going to continue to nudge towards central parts of the state. And so by the end of the week, late Wednesday into Thursday, Friday, we're going to start to see things calming down out across the west, while we'll continue to see things ramp up in the northeast. Meanwhile, in the southeast, it's still looking fairly dry for you for most of the week, though we may be able to squeeze a storm or two out of this front later on this week. And then for the weekend, we're back to the monsoonal weather pattern with more storms in the forecast. So we're looking at decent chances for rain pretty much all week, but today through tomorrow, that's where we're going to see most of the activity. 80 degrees right now, winds are light, humidity at 39% in Albuquerque. A beautiful start to the day, and we'll watch for more storms later on. Southern Colorado, we'll see decent chances for more scattered storms today. Low 80s for highs, and then tomorrow looking even better with the storms. And then we'll see fewer storms by Wednesday, and then storm chances kind of dwindling from there. As far as northwest New Mexico goes, scattered storms today, and then we'll keep storm chances in the forecast for most of the week, with best chances coming tomorrow into Wednesday. After that, it gets too dry. And then down the southwest, scattered thunderstorms here again this afternoon, today and tomorrow, with fewer storms around later this week. For the southeast, partly sunny and hot here. Heat the big story, and we're going to see triple-digit heat in many locations over the next few days. Storm chances stay slim there. Meanwhile, in the northeast, a very active week ahead, with storm chances continuing to increase, especially as we head toward Wednesday. Northern mountains will see more storms today, this afternoon, and Santa Fe will be looking at decent chances for some more rain to get going. East mountains, more thunderstorms on the way this afternoon and tomorrow, and for the metro, upper 80s to right around 90 the high today, with scattered thunderstorms around the area, so we could get some more rain in today, tomorrow, perhaps even Wednesday before storm chances taper off after that.
Good. Okay, thanks, Kristen.